Good morning, Hoover Math and Science Academy students and staff. Hi, this is Mahi coming to you live from the WHVR studio. Today is Friday, May 27th, 2016. The temperature in the village of Schaumburg is currently 68 degrees. Later today, we are expecting a high of 81 and a low of 66, with cloudy skies. Now please stand and join us in saying our nation's pledge. Our pledge people for today are Peyton, Anthony.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
In sports, the White Sox will play the Kansas City Royals tonight at 7:15. And the Cubs will play the Philadelphia Phillies today at 1:20. Now a message from Mrs. Ankrum and Mr. Prusco.
Good morning, Hoover School. Welcome to the final Friday of the year. I think Ms. Ankrum has a couple announcements to make.
I do. Good morning, staff and students. I just wanted to remind you that tonight is movie night from 6 to 8. And then also we are going to have a shelter in place drill, same thing as a tornado drill, a little after 9 o'clock, maybe around 9:15 or a little after. So your teachers will guide you in this and make sure that you're safe.
All right, well, we're going to pull some Herbie high fives here. We've got primary and intermediate. You want to do intermediate first this time?
Sure. Okay. Here we go. We have Michelle in 213. Lewis in 204. Praise in 211. Brandon in 212. Izzy in 211. And last one, Francisco in 207. Congratulations.
All right, let's do some primary ones here. Dan in room 107. I think it's Daniel. We have Aiden in 107. Good job, 107. Zenith, no room number, but you know who you are. Humberto, room 115. How many did you do? 6?
6.
Nate in room 115. And the last one for today. Indu in room 115. Good job, guys, and remember to go down to the office after announcements to get your prize. Ooh, we have some fun questions. Who's going to go first?
Would you rather?
Would you rather live on a canoe for 7 days surrounded by alligators and only be able to drink water, or live on a raft for 12 days and only be allowed to eat?
Let's go with the raft for 12 days and only be allowed to eat. I don't like alligators. Okay, I have one for you. Would you rather jump out of a plane 50 feet into freezing water or wrestle a super poisonous snake in boiling water?
Whoa. I think I would wrestle the snake in the boiling water.
Oh, okay.
Live on the edge a little bit.
Clearly.
All right, Hoover School, have a great day and keep it cool.
Thank you, Mrs. Ankrum and Mr. Prusco. Here's today's interesting fact. Did you know that tomorrow is National Hamburger Day? It is a day set aside to honor a classic sandwich, the hamburger. There is much controversy of the hamburger's origin, but all we know for sure is that it has become a culinary icon in the United States. Since its beginning, many different variations of the hamburger have been created due to restaurant chains like McDonald's, Burger King, Red Robin, and Steak and Shake. How will you celebrate National Hamburger Day? This week's broadcast has been brought to you by the Gummy Bears production team. Have a fun-filled Friday!